Grenade Bruin with you here in Howth. Trying out the new 35mm lens of my Leica M8. Trying to get some lovely black and whites with the harsh shadows today. I noticed though it's very bright. I'm using a clear UV filter. I'm going to stick on a neutral density. I'm going to show you the difference that will make in a few seconds when I hold them both up to the sky, and you can decide yourself. Anyhow, this is my last video before I go to Lanzarote. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the week. And if you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I have hundreds of unique viewers, but people are watching and not subscribing. It really helps the channel out if you subscribe, and it lets me know I'm doing something right, and I'll try to create better content for you guys. Okay, talk to you soon.